Hey friends, in this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify to Printify. Connecting your Shopify store to Printify allows you to seamlessly sync your products, manage orders, and fulfill customer orders with ease. By integrating your Shopify store with Printify, you gain access to a wide range of high-quality print-on-demand products and a network of reliable print providers. You can start it for free, so let us get into it. Go over and log in from here. I have already logged in here, but if you are not, you get to do it simply by email and then a password. So here we are on the dashboard of it. You also need to have a Shopify account. You have to sign in using your email or other given options. I have already signed in to Shopify and opened it on another tab. Let's have a look at it. If you look at the left side of the dashboard, you will get different options here, like home, order production, and other different options. Here you will get the option to add a store. Let's click on it, and from here you will get different apps. If you do not get it here, you can find it simply by clicking here in the Shopify App Store. You can search for a particular app in this search bar. Let's search for Printify. Here it is, simply click on it, and you have to install it. Simply click on it. It will take a while to open it. Once I open it, you will be led to the dashboard. Now let's click on Install the app from the corner. It will open it after a moment. Once it is done, you will have to log in here. I will simply log in here with my Google account. Then it will open, and you can have a deep look at the features. Now let's go back to Printify. From here, click on My New Store, then go to My Store and see that it is connected here. Once you click it, this type of page will appear. Now let's click on Catalog from this menu. I am going to select men's clothing here, then a t-shirt. Here is the variety of shirts. I am going to select this one. It will take a while to open. Once it opens, you can create designs of your choice on it. For this, let's click over and start designing from the left side. You will get to the editing page, where you will see the different options. You can, for example, design the front and back sides of the shirt, as well as the inner neck label of the shirt. Let's print the front side first. You can add something from your device. You also use an AI image generator, you can customize text, and much more. Here is the My Library option. Then My Templates, and then Graphics. Let's add a graphic here. I am going to use this one. Simply click on it, and it will appear on the shirt. Once it appears on it, you can fix it. When you click on it, you will see different options in a bar. You can choose any of the options you want. Once it is done, simply click on it, and you can save the product and then adjust the size and other things related to the shirt. When you do it, simply click Publish. That was all about how you can connect Shopify to Printify. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.